and I had no clue that Pragati Maidan is known as Supreme Court. And Pragati Maidan to chala gaya. I'm like, what the heck? Whether I should buy books from here or not, I'm not sure. World Book Fair. Let's take a closer look. A free shuttle service hai. We do know that there are free shuttle services. गर्मी में पसीना, I'm sorry. सर्दी में पसीने छूट रहे हैं. Where is this book fair? This is Penguin, this Random House India, and it is so crowded. It's in Telugu, Punjabi. They have the Hindu here. I've read some books by them, not sure. Osho publications, Osho fans in the house. Wow. Pigeon books. You can see this is like a comic book. And start at just this. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anmol Jace Chaudhary and Jace मेरे vlog में झांक झांक के देख रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. तो guys आज मैं बुक फेयर के लिए जा रही हूँ, वर्ल्ड बुक फेयर, जो कि प्रगति मैदान में हो रहा है, भारत मंडपम में. एंड जेस इज क्वाइट सरप्राइज कि ये छोटी सी डिवाइस कैसे चल रही है. एंड जेस कुछ कहना है आपको? कुछ कहना है आपको? हाँ, कुछ नहीं कहना जेस को. मैं मेट्रो से जा रही हूँ बिकॉज मुझे कोई मेट्रो चेंज नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. मैं नोएडा सेक्टर 75 रहती हूँ. सेक्टर 52 से मुझे मेट्रो लेनी पड़ेगी और जो मुझे डायरेक्ट प्रगति मैदान उतारेगी. वहाँ से सिर्फ 6 मिनट दूर है भारत मंडपम. जाऊँ जेस मैं? बाय बाय कर दो. बाय बाय करो. बाय बाय. Okay. Guys, so I have reached the metro station, that is sector 52. Here it is. पहले इसका एंट्री कहीं और होता था, अब इसका एंट्री बदल दिया है. एंड usually I prefer traveling in a cab, but I wanted to save time. And like I said earlier कि डायरेक्ट मेट्रो है प्रगति मैदान के लिए, मुझे कहीं चेंज भी नहीं करनी है. एंड प्लस पैसे भी बच जाएंगे. कैब में कितने सारे पैसे लगते हैं. एंड प्लस घर पे मुझे मेरा मेट्रो कार्ड भी मिल गया. तो मेरे घर से 52 का मेट्रो स्टेशन 5 मिनट दूर है लिटरली. एंड आई एम हियर नाउ. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो रीडिंग दिस बुक called A Little Life by Hannah. It's quite a huge ass novel. So yeah, I will board the metro now, finish my book, and talk to you soon. Guys, I did something really stupid. I was so confused. I just kept looking at the signs, the names, and I kept wondering, why isn't my station coming? Why isn't my station coming? And I had no clue that Pragati Maidan is known as Supreme Court. And then I realized that there's some confusion. So I asked this girl sitting next to me, and she said that Pragati Maidan to chala gaya. I'm like, what the heck? Why did I not know it? Then now I'm changing my metro. I'm going towards the other side. So then I asked her like, कौन सा metro पकड़ना पड़ेगा मुझे, towards which side? She said either Noida Electronics or Vaishali. So guys, if you're like me who thinks Pragati Maidan would come, just don't make that mistake. Pragati Maidan is now known as Supreme Court. So yeah, I think मैं बाराखंबा रोड पे उतरी हूँ, तो मुझे सिर्फ 2 मेट्रो स्टेशन और क्रॉस करने पड़ेंगे. One is Mandi House and then Supreme Court. My God, I don't know, like whenever I have this track record, I'm not even kidding guys, that whenever I travel in a metro, I always fuck up. Like this is legit my given record. एक मतलब बहुत rare moments ऐसे होंगे when I've actually boarded the metro और मैं सही metro में चढ़ गई हूँ. And this is where probably and I'm not dumb. I legit has the application on my phone and I'm just looking at the names and I still fucked up. Haha, classic me. So guys, I'm here at the Supreme Court metro station and it's quite a view. I mean, even though मैं यहाँ पे book fair के लिए आई हूँ, but station से बाहर आते ही I'll show you around. यहाँ पे ये इतने सारे books already बिक रहे हैं and like it's crazy. इस पे दिखा रहा है कि मुझे गेट नंबर 10 पे चल के जाना है भारत मंडपम के लिए. एंड आई डोंट नो लाइक वेदर आई शुड बाय बुक्स फ्रॉम हियर और नॉट. आई एम नॉट श्योर. So many books. I mean, it's crazy. It's like literally crazy. They have everything from Colin Hoover to the book, the one that I was just reading. They have so many books. My God, look at this. This is what it looks like. It's crazier. So this is my first time coming to Pragati Maidan and also making a video like this. Talking in public, so weird. Bye social anxiety. But my God, it looks like कि as if यहाँ पे इनका खुद का पर्सनल फेयर चल रहा है. मुझे पता नहीं कि ये जनरली ऐसे ही हमेशा होता है. But is it only because of the book fair? But do let me know in the comments. And this is the other side of it. Street vendors खाने पीने के लिए. And it's quite nice. गेट नंबर 10 उधर सामने है जहाँ से मैं पता करूँगी. Oh yeah, there we go. I think it's only because of the World Book Fair because it's like legit written there, as you can see. World Book Fair. And okay, यहाँ से entry है. This is what it is. World Book Fair, Vishwa Pustak Mela. And finally we made it. Yeah, let's go. Oh God, इधर से जाना है. And बंद नहीं था. So this is how it is. यहाँ से exit है, यहाँ से entry है. ये है. Also, I absolutely love this new 2026 energy in me where I'm just picking out a destination and going all out. Not asking anybody, not dependent on anybody, just exploring things on my own. Love it. So then we have this another exit. ये लड़कों का है, ये लड़कियों का है. And हाँ, as usual यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी चेक हो रहा है. ये alright, okay, sorry. So yeah, we're done with the security check-in. मैं अंदर ही वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने में लगी हुई थी because I don't know. I mean, common sense होता है, but कभी-कभी my common sense goes for a walk. You know what I mean? So this is what it's looking like. It's quite nice. People are coming here, and there's a venue map right here. Let's take a closer look what it's like. So we're here, gate number 10, and this is what it is. Here are all the whatever. These are free shuttle services. Free shuttle services for New Delhi World Book Fair. Honestly, I'm confused why the shuttle is for. Is it so far, the whole book fair thing? मतलब इतना ज़्यादा दूर है क्या? As this is my first time, so people are in the queue. They're getting on the bus, and yeah. So ये free service है. And it's quite nice how this nice and I'm glad there are so many girls along my side. I mean, I'm just so confused and so lame, but I'm glad that I'm making this vlog because it's fun. Haha. So we might probably have to wait for another shuttle. Oh wow, it's quite full. It's quite full. We do know that there are free shuttle services, but when I can afford an e-rickshaw, why should I take a free shuttle? Which I can, but I will not because I can't wait. ये तो भर गया. आप चलोगे? So finally I got the e-rickshaw and they will drop us to 11 number. I have no clue what is 11 number, but they said that 100 meters, 150 meter walk करना पड़ेगा. So let's go. So 11 number गेट पर कुछ और ही चल रहा है. आई थिंक देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फेस्ट बिकॉज मैं तो खुद ही पहली बार प्रगति मैदान आई हूँ, तो मुझे पता भी नहीं है कि यहाँ पे क्या क्या होता है, कितने फेस्ट क्या क्या हो रहा है. सो टर्न्स आउट दैट वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी कुछ चल रहा है एंड मैं वॉक कर रही हूँ. बट ठीक है, गिवन कि मैं पिछले 20 दिन से जिम नहीं गई हूँ, दिस वॉक इज़ लॉन्ग ओवर ड्यू. सो या हियर्स टू वॉकिंग एंड सामने मुझे बहुत ही प्यारी सनलाइट दिख रही है जो मैं सर्दियों में देखने के लिए तरस जाती हूँ. सो लेट्स गो. So the space is quite big, like huge as space. This is what it's like. And I still have no freaking slightest clue that where the book fest is happening. I'm just walking and clearly my lung is making me realize my औकात कि क्या होता है जब आप 20 दिन अपना वर्कआउट स्किप करते हो. एंड ओ गॉड, गर्मी में पसीना, सॉरी, सर्दी में पसीने छूट रहे हैं. एंड ब्रेन फॉग इज़ रियल. ब्रेन इज इन ब्रेनिंग. लॉर्ड, वेयर इज दिस बुक फेयर? इज इट लाइक अ workout thingy, or I just want to go for a simple book fair thing? Where is it? Where is it? Oh God. Lucky us, before I almost fainted, I found बहुत चलने के बाद you see this hall. That's where the book fest is happening. And whew, finally I found it. Let's go. And wow, I've never done this before. It's kind of fun. Let's see what's inside. So this is what it's looking. I'm so sorry. This is what it's looking, and this is the book fair. अच्छा, अभी 18 तारीख तक है guys. And इधर से जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, let's go. So I was actually thinking, since I'm here at the book fest, I will meet a lot of like-minded people. How about we do like a quick Q&A with them, you know? What are their favorite books? Why do they like to read books? And so on, so on. We are here. Here we are. My God, my lungs has given up. So this is what it's like. यहाँ पे फ़ोटो बूथ भी है जहाँ पे आप लोग फ़ोटो क्लिक करा सकते हैं. एंड oh wow, that's a beautiful made with books. It's quite nice. So this is what it's like. Quite nice, quite nice. Yeah. Finally we are here. My God, it's huge. It's huge. So okay, now let's do like a tour sort of a video. My mic just ran out of battery, so we'll have to just stick with whatever we have in our Osmo. Anyway, so I was saying, now that I'm here, let's do what do you say, quick tour of things. Yeah, so we are here at I don't know, what is it? So they have different books. They have books in Telugu, Punjabi, they have books in Urdu. Oh, they have books in all the language. Wow. So this is one shop. We have been here. Also, I just want to get done with this vlog quickly so I can actually go and surf the books that I actually want. So we have here Manjul, Vani Prakashan. Let's just take you on a tour. This is Suruchi Prakash, Vani Prakash, Arya Samaj. Something is happening here. And Vani Sahitya. nice. Honestly speaking, I'm a little biased. I'm actually looking for Penguin stall, and because I read a lot of Penguin classics, and I need to find it. Like really need to put in work to find Penguin. The Hindu here. I've read some books by them. Not sure what all. So this is what all they have. Then this, all these fairs and festivals, folk deities. Quite interesting. So yeah, my god, I'm sweating a lot. God, I was feeling extremely hot after walking so much, so I just took off my jacket. And we still need to look for Penguin. Is I think I just found something really interesting. Osho Publications. Ha! Gotcha. So let's go. So this right here we have Osho Publications, and my god, it's crowded. Looks like we have a lot of Osho fans in the house. Actually, I might buy some Osho. So I ended up buying 2 books from Osho. I really like the overview of it, and now we are here at Manohar. It's quite famous, so let's take a quick look. So we have, so guys, I realized something. I wanted to see Hindi books at the Osho, but I realized I suck at Hindi. I would be just googling things all my time. So I'll just quickly pick out something. We have Hello Friend here, and this is Hello Friend, and they have a lot of interesting books for kids. I must say, मेरा बच्चा तो पढ़ता नहीं है, but I can definitely buy it for my sister's kids. So let's quickly have a look. They have, actually, it's so vivid. I'll show you, quickly show you. So wow, I can actually buy things for my sister's kids. So I went to Hello again. I wanted to buy the book for my sister's kids, but I'll be very honest, यार इससे सस्ती बुक्स तो Amazon पे मिल जाएंगी, एंड प्लस मतलब पता नहीं इतनी ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव क्यों थी. अभी मैं यहाँ पिजन बुक्स पे हूँ. दिस इज़ पिजन बुक्स, एंड इनके पास भी अब ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड है. इनके पास भी बहुत सारे वर्जन्स हैं. समथिंग रियली कूल, आई विल बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई मीन दिस बुक राइट हियर, as you can see, this is like a comic book. I think it's quite good for the Gen Z kids. If these kids, they want to understand about our culture, about the mythology, I think these books are pretty great. It's from this Amar Chitra Katha. Quite nice. I had this crazy thing on my mind. I just, every now and then, I'm just thinking about, I want to write. Also, I've been looking for how to publish, but before getting published, I need to have something to write, which I haven't done. So to my surprise, I was just walking by exploring, and look, this is called Paper Towns, and want to publish your book, plans start at just this, and 100% author royalties, editorial services, Pan India, bookstore distribution, customized plans, marketing and support, and so much more. So I think I should know more about it. So guys, हमने ओम बुक्स पब्लिकेशन से बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग कर लिया है. I mean, बिकॉज़ वहाँ पे बच्चों का भी कलेक्शन बहुत सारा था, तो मैंने जेस के लिए बीई को सामान ले लिया. अब मेरे अंदर बिल्कुल भी एनर्जी नहीं बचा है ना. आई कैन नॉट. सो आई एम जस्ट क्विकली गोना गो टू पेंगुइन, सी all the classes and then rush back home. Oh my god, ये तो बहुत भीड़ है पेंगुइन में. This is Penguin, this Random House India, and it is so crowded. My god. What the heck? I thought I would be at peace here, but it's just, how will I find books? But you know what? I only need to find one section that I see from right here, the black and white classic section, and we're good. And I see it right there, the black and white section. Let's go. So we are here at the Notion Press, and before that I went to Hatchet, I went to Penguin, I went to oh my god, so many books I've got so many fictions. But you know, I came to Notion Press and I realized that it's less crowded, and I, apart from all the international sellers, I also want to try Indian authors, so I bought some books from Indian authors. And since I've been scrapping my own stuff, and I thought that let's give it a shot. So this is the Notion Press. It's quite nice, and the best part was that unlike Penguin and all of that shit, I can breathe here. So guys, if you liked my vlog, now I'm gonna be going back home. Do comment, like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, see you in my next vlog.